Hello mga sasi, good morning. Tingnan mo ang bait ni Steven, nilagyan niya pa talaga ako ng kape. Kagigising ko lang. O diba, binigyan niya ako ng kape. Kasi ano siya, early in the morning, meron siyang blood test. So, sabi niya, okay, lagyan kita ng kape. Hindi ko alam, inano niya ako. Nilagyan niya ako ng kape sa baso. Ang bait si Steven, no? Oh. 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 Woo. Good morning. Grabe. Ano tayo? Let's do a quick moisturizer. Kasi malamig sa labas. So magdadry ka talaga dito. Marami ako mga moisturizer mga sasi, pero ito yung favorite ko. Jergens na face cream. Kasi may oil siya. So kapag ka-dry yung skin mo, especially this time, it really helps. So day off ko ngayon, mag-robe ako kasi malamig. Oh! I don't know kung magme-medyas ako, we'll see. Kasi nag-freeze sa labas. Malamig.
And the shower is broken. They need to wait for the landlord to replace it because he doesn't want it to replace it because that's the agreement. And there are many times that they're freezing to death because the heater is not working. And then on the other story, the woman, we're friends, online friends, she's doing like a buy and sell, like, you know, those online selling. And she's doing a pretty good job. And then eventually, she just shared her life in Canada that she bought another house. You know, a townhouse. You know what, in Calgary, right? Everything is too small, but it's a 2-story house. But it's like a townhouse that right next to each other. And that's something that you don't like. Americans, they like a big one. They want a big lot. They want a big front. They want a big backyard. And they want like that. They want a lanai. But in Canada, because the spaces are so limited, especially if you live